Hello, hope you're doing fine. Another day, another video. This is your boy photographer Carlos here, and today I want to speak about wedding photography, the morning important pictures during a wedding day. First of all, these are the most important tools to take picture during early in the morning. First is the ring. Make sure you get hold of the rings before the wedding day. Early in the morning, you take a picture of the ring. Next accessory, you take shoes from both men and female, from the bride and the bridegroom. So you take the picture from all of them, the shoes. Another thing is the gown. You make sure you put your gown outside somewhere where it will be able for a good sunset early in the morning. You take a picture of that gown early in the morning. Another thing you need to take a picture of the hair accessory, the things that they put on the hair, the vein, the one that they put on the hair, the bangles that she has. You take pictures, detail of that. Another thing, you take a picture of a watch in an art form. You make them in art, and that is it. Early in the morning, you make sure you take those pictures. And also another important picture early in the morning, you take her bride before she's done makeup, and also during the makeup and after the makeup. You take a picture during that duration of time. You make sure you get those details. That is the most important during a wedding day. I've been your photographer, Carlos TR, and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Keep it here, keep it locked.